Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Don's Lawns. In case you're just now noticing, I've been wearing this outfit and this is now the third video. So if you're new to what's going on, I got two other videos that I talk about this McLane. I'll have them linked up above, down below, somewhere throughout the video. You should go check them out because one of the videos I tell you how to pick a used reel mower and buy it, and kind of how to negotiate and things like that, and things to look for when buying a used reel mower. The second video, I actually do the maintenance and all of the tune-up and everything else on this mower and getting it ready for mowing for the 2021 season. And then I also installed a grooved front roller. However, I don't really go step by step in that process. I refer you guys over to Bermuda Brian or Crappy Lawn. Both of them have done videos installing a front roller on a McLane. So today is actually going to be the first time I've ever used a power reel mower mowing, cutting grass, or in my lawn. I've always manually mowed this. Right now the grass is a couple days shy of a mow. The last time I cut it at 5/8. So I have this McLane set at 5/8. I have a feeling it's going to take off more than I'm used to. But without further ado, let's get it cranked up. Let's put her to the test and let's cut some grass. If you're new to my channel, I encourage you to hit that like button, tap subscribe down below, tap the bell so you get notified when I post new videos, and look for me on Instagram and Twitter at Don's Lawns 1. I look forward to seeing you guys over there as well. Wow, I'm very impressed with this McLane. Super happy that I bought it, super happy that I'm putting some money into it to fix it up and use it. And that was awesome, that was pretty fun. A couple times you probably saw me kind of mess up in a couple spots where it was getting out of control and I wasn't paying attention or remembering what to do and things like that, but I got the hang of the control arm and everything else throughout the process there, and towards the end I started laying down some thick stripes. And these stripes are pretty nice for a McLane. I'm gonna throw that out there. Pretty darn nice for a McLane. Usually McLanes aren't known for striping, but guess what, guys? I'm back. So all you guys out there who are trying to throw down some 6 stripes this year, you better watch out. I'm coming. Throwing some stripes of my own. We're going to do some maintenance on the Greenwall, do some replanting, clean it up, and do some service. So the Texas freeze killed a bunch of our plants here on the Greenwall. I could have covered it with plastic. I didn't. That's my bad. But now we're going to replant those plants with something different, something new, change it up a little bit. And like I said, we're gonna do some maintenance on the Greenwall, clean it up, get it ready for spring. The first thing we're gonna do with these old dead plants is we're gonna start removing them from the growing bags, the grow bags. And then once we get those removed, then we can start addressing whether or not we need to replant, like whether we're gonna use seed, which is an option we're gonna do today, or if we're gonna replace it with another plant. And then we may or may not have to remove the actual pots off the wall, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Right now, we're just gonna start removing all the dead material and prepping it for new plants. So while Lauren is pulling out all the old dead plants, I'm gonna start vacuuming out the bottom, the water reservoir at the bottom. I'm gonna start using the shop vac and cleaning that up and getting it ready for fresh water. Lauren's making a lot of progress over here on the Greenwall. She's taken some off and replanted some flowers up here in the top half. We also planted some wildflower seeds down there in those as well. And then now she's planting some different herbs down into these lower ones via seed. Some are already pre-grown down there in the bottom corner, but those are all getting planted down there as well. And she's labeling them with clothespins, which is pretty unique and kind of smart. So let's keep on getting after it, and we'll show you guys some results here in a little bit. Alright, so we replanted everything. We cleaned out the tanks, the reservoir tanks at the bottom. We refilled them with water. Now it is time to plug it in and let it run. And you know, once we have some water dripping out of the bottom ones and everything's lined up and is working and flowing properly, we'll turn it off and we'll only water it and plug it in every couple days to make sure everything stays moist. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and as always, hit that like button, tap subscribe down below. Stay tuned, because in the next couple seconds I will have some updates of this Greenwall and show you guys some of the growth, hopefully, fingers crossed, that occurred from these seeds. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Best of luck in the lawn.